Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add new wallets to your newly created Bitget wallet. So if you watched the last video, then you will know how to create your Bitget wallet. And in this video we'll just quickly go through on how you can add new wallets onto your Bitget wallet. So once you launch your wallet, you will be on this default homepage right here. And from here you just need to tap on my wallet icon right here. So just tap on this little downwards pointing arrow, and then a new menu will load on which you can add a new wallet. So just go ahead and click add a wallet. Then you have a few different options regarding your wallet. So you can either create a new wallet, you can import an existing wallet using your mnemonic phrase or a private key, then you can connect a physical hardware wallet, or you can use a watch-only wallet just to track different assets that you own. So in this case we'll just go for the first option, or aka the usual option of just creating a new wallet. So just go ahead and tap on the create wallet option. And here you have two different types of wallets that you can create. So a mnemonic wallet, which is more secure, or a keyless wallet. And you can create the second option, the keyless wallet, through your Gmail account. But for the sake of security, we will go for the mnemonic wallet option. So just tap on create. And then you will get this usual wallet creating screen from the first video. And one important thing is that you don't exit the screen. So just be on the screen until your wallet is created, and then you will be just automatically redirected. And there we go. After about 30-ish seconds, my new wallet has been created. So just click got it right here. And then if you tap again on the small bottom arrow right here, you can see that now you have two wallets. The first one that we created in the first video, and the second one that we just created. So you can add as many wallets as you like. But as you can see, for the first wallet there is no notification right here, but for the second wallet there is a notification that the seed phrase is not backed up, aka the mnemonic phrase. So just be sure to go here on the backup option. Then you have some information about your mnemonic phrase. So just click backup mnemonics and confirm your identity by your PIN code. And then you just need to write all the mnemonic words onto a piece of paper or an offline device. So just click on backup mnemonics, then verify it by this quick quiz right here and click confirm. Once you've done that, your wallet will be secure and the mnemonic phrase backed up. So that's how you can add multiple wallets onto your Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.